Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the add-ons not showing on the menu. So the add-ons in here, the add-ons on your Google Workspace like Google Sheets, Google Docs or Google Forms. So in here, if you want to find the extension, you can just click on extension or add-ons at the top and you'll find add-ons. So add-ons is like a third-party apps that you can use to help you with your tasks on a certain Google Workspace. So as you guys can see here, I have this add-ons on my Google Sheets, the add reminders, the Work GPT, Looker Studio, App Sheets, and also the App Script. So if you cannot find a certain add-ons in here, for example, you already install an add-ons but you cannot see it in here, that might be because it doesn't support on the certain Google Workspace that you open. So in here I open a Google Sheet, so when I try to open add-ons or to see the add-ons related to Google Docs or Google Form, I cannot find it. But when I go to add-ons and here click on the manage add-ons, you can see there are lots of add-ons that I can see. You can see the app boot, which is not shown in the menu before, and also the form limiter, the booking calendar, form notifications. That's because these are not supported in the Google Sheets, but when I open the Google Form, I will find these add-ons. So I hope this answer will help you. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also